It means everything to me and my family and everyone who's from this area.
He kaitia ki whenua, e angātu ana ki te kōti.
This has been forced on us. We did not want this. We don't want to go to court.
Kua tukua e te kaunihera o ngā roto, tētahi tono ki te kōti ārohe o Rotorua, ki te aukati i ngā mahi porotū a ngā uri nei. I a rātou e whakahe ana i te rautaki Waipara mo Tarawera, e rua te kaumā iwa miriona tāra te uara.
I find it quite rude. We've had a number of hui with our people, and in every one of those hui from 2018, 19, right through to today, have 100% said no to the pipeline coming through. So the council have not listened to the voices of our people as mana whenua, tangata whenua and people of this land.
Nō te hānuere ngā mahi hanga ka whakatārewatia, nā runga i te porotū a ngā uri, e kore no rātou i whakaikarere ngā ngongo para nei i ngā pāpāringa o tō rātou roto, o roto kākahi.
We're the ahi ka and we got gifted with the tapu. This is our job to look after this lake.
Well, our people have lived, loved, fought and died here for generations, hundreds of years. We've maintained ahi ka and we've maintained our right of occupation here all the way through, even up until today. We still have people on the land, we still have people working the land. We haven't gone anywhere. So from this generation, right back to Mai Rā, from Te Arawa Waka, we've been here ever since.
He kaupapa e whakahengi ana e tēnei kaunihera Māori.
As a Māori ward representative, I'm disgusted that this is where we've ended up, with our hingatiaki at risk of being arrested and jailed because they don't want a raw sewage pipe running under our tupuna awa.
Hei tā te kaunihera o ngā roto, e hara tēnei tono i te nuka aukati i ngā mahi porotū. Ka mutu hei tāna no Pūkōrero, te kaunihera o ngā roto, e whakawhiti kōrero ana ki ngā iwi, ki te hapori anō hoki, i mua i te tīmatatanga o ngā mahi.
I find the council line that the injunction does not stop our people from being able to protest peacefully, but just prevents them from interfering with the installation of the pipeline, to be really condescending and insulting to our people who have First Nation, Indigenous, cultural rights as tangata whenua to act as kaitiaki over our lands, waters and taonga species.
Stop the pipeline. Find an alternative, and there are alternatives.
He wei anō, ka nōhia tonutia te whenua, kia taura anō te rā kōti.
Nothing is over until it's over, right? It ain't over. No. They've forced us into court, they've forced us into this battle, but we're not going anywhere.
Moko nui ārangi haere huka Edmonds, mā Aukaha.